Now we are going to discuss another type of problem. This question was asked in the entrance examination as well as board examination. So important questions. First I will give them. That's a problem. What is problem? What's the problem here is? Here there are two charges, Q1, Q2. There are two charges, Q1, Q2. Attracts each other with a force 0.108 Newton. The separation is, distance is 0.5 meter. The separation is 0.5 meter. Now these two charges are connected by a wire. Conducting wire. Now the conducting wire is removed. Now there is a force. There is a repulsive force. That force is 0.036 Newton. They are asked to find the value of initial charges Q1, Q2. What's the value? This is a problem. Do you know? There are two charges having attractive force 0.108 Newton separated by distance 0.5 meter. Now these two charges are connected by a wire, conducting wire, and that conducting wire is removed. The distance is constant. Only thing is we connected a wire and the conducting wire is removed. Now there may be a force. There may be a change in force. That is, the force is 0.036 Newton. They are asked to find the value of initial charges Q1, Q2. Already I derived these things. Just I will give the explanation alone. Okay. For example, you consider this particular situation. This is the first situation. What's the situation? There are two charges separated a distance. The force of attraction is this much. It's a actually casual way. Now you know the formula, that is F is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. This is the formula from the Coulomb's law of force of attraction. Here instead of the force, here we have just written 0.108. 1 by 4 by epsilon value you know, 9 into 10 power 9. Q1 Q2, let it be as it is. We are going to find this value. The distance of separation is given, that is 0.5 square. First you find the value of Q1 Q2, that is Q1 Q2, let it be here. 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Then Q1 Q2, just you bring this here, 0.5, that is 1 by 4 goes there, that is let it be 0.108 is nothing but 108 in 10 power minus 3. 1 by 4 as it is, then 9 into 10 power 9. Then after simplification, so you can find the value of Q1 Q2 is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 12. This is the first situation. What about the second situation? Just you connected a wire, conducting wire, then remove the conducting wire, then they provided the force. By using these situations, what will happen if you connect a wire? What will happen if I connect a wire between the charges? If we connect a wire between the charges, the charge will be shared. You take the average charge. After connecting this wire, this charge will be, that is Q1 will be Q1 plus minus Q2 by 2. Here also Q1 plus minus Q2 by 2. Why do we use minus? This is attractive nature. Attractive nature means this is positive, this is negative. Really? Are you able to understand? That is Q1 plus, that's why we take an average, that is Q1 plus, here the Q2 charge is minus, that is minus Q2 by 2. This is positive, this is negative, then only this is attractive nature. You take the average of this. Just use this formula here, that is F is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon. Instead of Q1, minus Q2 by 2. Instead of Q2, Q1 minus Q2 by 2 R square as it is. R square as it is. Are you able to follow? Are you able to follow? Huh? After connecting the wire, then the wire is removed. The total charge is shared. The sharing of charges is taking place. You just remember this concept here. Now, F is equal to 1 by 4 by 4 instead of Q1, Q1 minus Q2 by 2, Q1 minus Q2 by 2 for the instead of Q2. The same manner, force is changed here 0.036, 1 by 4 by x1, 9 into 10 power 9, Q1 minus Q2 whole square. This is a Q1 minus Q2, Q1 minus 2 whole square. This is a 4, you just bring here 0.5 whole square, G4 0.5 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, 4 getting cancelled. Remaining value Q1 minus Q2 whole square is equal to, that is 0.036 is nothing but 36 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 9 into 10 power minus 3. Just for 4 times, 4 into 10 power minus 12. Then just remove the square, taking the square root on both sides. Q1 minus Q2 is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 6 this is the first equation. Let it be first equations. There is a mathematical step you know already. A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4AB is the formula. Instead of A, Q1, B, Q2. That is Q1 plus Q2 whole square is equal to Q1 minus Q2 whole square plus 4 Q1 Q2 is a well-known standard formula. You just consider this formula here. Q1 minus Q2 already you know from the first equation, 2 into 10 power minus 6 whole square. 4. Q1 Q2 product already we find the first situations, that is 3 into 10 power minus 2. Just manipulate it. You can get 4 into 10 power minus 6. Q1 minus Q2 2 into 10 power minus 6. Q1 plus Q2 4 into 10 power minus 6. There are 2 equations. Just see these 2 equations. By adding these 2 equations, Q2 getting cancelled. Only Q1 alone. That is what? By adding 1 and 2 Q1 is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 6. That is Q1 is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 6 Coulomb. You substitute this Q1 value in this second equations. In this second equation. Then Q2 is equal to Q1 goes there. That is Q2 is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 6. That is 10 power minus 6 Coulomb. Q1 value you know, Q2 value you know. Are you able to understand? In the initial charges, we can get it from by doing these type of calculations. These type of calculations. Again, repeating the problem, there are 2 charges repel each other with a force 0.108 Newton and they are separated by a distance 0.5 meter. So, first situations. Now, these 2 charges are connected by a conducting wire. Now, the force must be 0.036. There is no change in separation of the charges. The conducting wire is removed. There is a force. That force is 0.036. What they are asked? They are asked to find the value of Q1 and Q2. Just this is a simple method. You can easily find this Q1, Q2. Okay, are you able to understand? These type of calculations are very important. Sometimes we must remember all those calculations in a detailed manner. Then only you can switch over to the next level, solving the problem. It's a very interesting problem, and also you just remember this problem also. Okay. But that again you go to the description box, there is some important questions just to go through. For you, just you subscribe this particular channel, you can get a regular continuous video for you. All the best. Thanks a lot.